Hello, everybody, and welcome to the new episode. It's time to learn about handling process part 3. In this video presentation, we will talk about how interrupts handled, the role of an interrupt handler, the steps involved in handling interrupt. Interrupt handling is a key function in a real-time software and comprises interrupts and their handlers. The program that's running is halted when an interrupt request signal from an external device is entered into the CPU's interrupt dedicated terminal. Then the operating system has to quickly deal with it without disrupting other processes too much. Let's jump onto interrupt handler. The interrupt service routine, also known as ISR, is a special occurrence when an interrupt occurs. The ISR's job is to find out what caused the interrupts or handle the event and restore the system to its previous state. All of this without disrupting other processes too much. There are various steps in handling an interrupt. Interrupt signal generation, which simply means that an event triggers an interrupt to which CPU acknowledges the signal, and it's called interrupt acknowledgement. The CPU acknowledges it while saving the current state, the ongoing tasks the CPU is performing. Then the handler that's within the CPU identifies the source of interrupt, which is the fourth stage known as determining the cause. Now is the execution time. Executing the ISR is when the appropriate ISR is in action to deal with the interrupt. Until this stage, ISR finishes the tasks. The CPU quickly returns to previous state, and this is called restoring the state. After these steps are performed, the CPU continues its interrupted task, calling it as resuming normal execution. Please look at this diagram for a brief understanding of the process. I hope this video was informative. We all have learned how interrupts are handled by the operating system. Please post any questions you may have and I'll try to answer at the earliest in my next video. We will learn another interesting topic, the importance and application of interrupts. Until then, stay tuned.